Hello? Hello? Jesus Christ. Hello? And I see him, brother, again. He could not even change his damn clothes. He looked like he don't remember what last week. Hello? Hello? You're not there to RASS! Me say me not there to RASS. Alright, me tell you to come back. Which means you're bumbo. Which means you're bumbo. How to get rid of the witnesses. Naked, open the door. Hello? Give me a minute there. Give me a minute there. Me I want new this door. Me I want. Hello? Give me a minute there. But me I want new this here. That's alright, so that's okay if you're a Buddhist. Wake! Good morning. Can I have a word with you about Jesus Christ? Me never go back. Where you go? Where you go? Me never want you. Me never want you. You bumbo, you. Jesus said, "Come as you are." So I come as I am. Flip, flap, dick slap. And don't RASS come back. Whoa. Watch out. Where you go? You think you're gonna just watch my video and don't subscribe? You must say man to RASS. Me not play with you man tell you. A while they right there, so Facebook it, Twitter it, Kevin do crazy. You know want start nothing, you know. Do what me tell you for do. I record you like your bumbo.
What, Lydia? Yes.